What's up, guys? I'm back. I guess we're gonna call this part 2. SCI rear disc conversion. First, pretty much started taking this apart. You want to get your armrest loose, or your center console or whatnot. I'm going for the brake cables. First. I'm gonna hook up because once this thing's on the ground, it's kind of hard to actually get to this. So I'm gonna get the cables hooked up first, but I don't know if you can see. It's hard for me to get an angle, but you see there's a little hook right there. I already pulled the one cable out and it goes into the cab. Wait, yeah, that's where we're at right now. We're gonna bolt the new cables up in and get this thing on the ground and go from there. Here's where we are. We finally got both new cables in. These little rubber grommet things are a bitch to do to get lined back up, but on the passenger side you will have to remove this exhaust shield, or at least loosen it. Oh boy, yeah, this piece of shit right here. But we're gonna get our cables bolted up and get back to it. Alright, we got our car off our front lifts, and we got our rear stuff jacked up, and we got the, I want to say it's EBC rotors and EBC red stuff brake pads ready to roll. Getting prepared to start taking this stuff apart. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. So we're gonna pull our old cables through. We got our new cable right here. New cables appear to be approximately, a little bit longer. So we'll see what we're gonna do. Alright, let's talk about where we're at. I completely removed the rear shock to give us more room. Removed this bolt right here. Loosen all this up. Remove this nut right here for the brake line. I'm gonna undo the brake line right here, and undo the brake line, and these 4 bolts. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna undo the arm, and hopefully this will all drop out of here. We'll see. Alright, here's where we're at. We unbolted our upper arm, and we did undid our 4 nuts right here, which undid that. So yeah. Alright, we have ran into our first problem. We have this big old gap, so I guess we're gonna go get a bunch of washers to fill in this gap here, and this rear bracket is not gonna go with this arm. This little arm right here is not gonna go, and so yeah, we're gonna bolt it up like the original one. It didn't have a bracket, just bolted up. We're just gonna put the washers in here to fill in this gap, and we gotta do something with this brake line. So yeah, we're probably gonna mount it like above and undo it and hook it up here so it moves with the arm. So we'll see. But the brake cable, it lines up pretty good. So that's where we're at. Alright, here's what we came up with. I've added the washers, stiffened it up quite a bit. So, and here's what we did. I just took this existing thing and just kind of bent it and hooked our brake line up like that. I don't know if that's going to work or not, but I'll lower it down, see if that's going to come anywhere close to rubbing or anything like that. But if not, that's how we're going to do it. Otherwise, you probably need a custom line. But we getting there. We getting there. To be continued. Your side off. Getting ready to rock and roll. Oh, jump. Yeah, here's the main tools. Basically 17 millimeter in range, 17 millimeter socket, 14 millimeter 10 millimeter, and you're gonna want to have these to do the brake lines, whatnot. These little closed in wrenches, 12 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 10 millimeter. That's basically it on about your tools. Well, there you have it, guys. Rear disc conversion. The only thing left to do is the prop valve and to bleed it. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, all my new subscribers. Thank you. It's been a long day. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.